Hello everybody, today I would like to show you a great Chrome extension, cross-language import method. You don't have to copy back and forth between web pages and translation software when you want to enter another language. Just like this, I import Chinese in text box, then press the table key, which automatically does the translation and replace what I typed. Then click on post. The whole process was very smooth. Do you like it? Now I will show you how to install it. First, we need to go to Chrome App Store. Search Sally. Select the first one. Then install it. OK, install successfully. Refresh page. Then click on the icon button on the right to enable it. You need to log in first. Click on Sally Suite link. You need to sign in first, then copy access key from here. Fill in access key and click on confirm. OK, refresh the current page. Now you can use it. Thanks for watching this video. Give it a try.